Imagine trying to juggle 5 things at once. You're checking emails, responding to texts, eating lunch, listening to a podcast, and working on a presentation. Now, think about how each task takes a piece of your focus and cognitive resources. Sounds productive, right? But the truth is, multitasking is actually one of the most detrimental things you can do to your brain. If you're someone who thinks you can juggle multiple tasks at once without consequences, it's time to think again. Today, we're diving deep into why multitasking is ruining your brain, and what the science says about the cognitive cost. Stick with me as we explore new research, experiments, and offer a bonus tip to help you reverse the damage and become more focused. Number 1. The multitasking myth. Multitasking is often seen as a sign of productivity. The idea is simple: do more, get more done, right? But here's the catch: our brains weren't designed to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. When we think we're multitasking, we're actually each time we jump between activities, our brain needs to reorient itself, which can lead to cognitive overload and a significant drop in performance. A study published in Psychological Science in 2016 found that multitasking can reduce our cognitive capacity, making it harder to recall information, focus, and perform tasks efficiently. So, while you might feel like you're getting more done, the reality is that you're likely being less effective with each task. Number 2. The science behind the damage. Here's where things get interesting and scary. Recent research has shown how multitasking physically changes the structure of our brains. 1. Cognitive fatigue. In a groundbreaking study by University College London in 2023, researchers found that people who multitask regularly experience higher levels of cognitive fatigue, leading to burnout and decreased mental clarity. The brain gets worn out from constantly switching tasks, and over time, this results in difficulty concentrating, making decisions, and processing information. 2. Decline in memory retention. A study in the Journal of Neuroscience 2022 showed that multitasking impairs our ability to store and retrieve memories. When we try to focus on multiple things at once, our brain fails to properly encode the information, making it harder to remember details later. So, even though you're checking emails while trying to read a book, you're not actually absorbing either. 3. Impact on the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making, focus, and cognitive control, is deeply affected by multitasking. A 2023 study published in Nature Communications found that multitasking depletes the resources in the prefrontal cortex, which impairs the brain's ability to make complex decisions. This area of the brain becomes overloaded, and as a result, you may struggle to stay focused or make good judgments. Number 3. Real-life experiments. Now that we've covered the science, let's see how this plays out in real life with a couple of experiments. 1. The texting experiment. In one experiment, a group of people was asked to perform a simple task: reading and understanding a short paragraph. Group A was asked to complete the task with no distractions. Group B was asked to text while reading. The results? Group B's comprehension was significantly lower. The participants who texted while reading found it difficult to focus on the paragraph, leading to poorer recall and a lower understanding of the material. 2. The driving experiment. We all know that texting while driving is dangerous, but what does multitasking do to your brain's ability to focus? A study conducted by Carnegie Mellon University in 2022 found that when participants were asked to drive while texting, their brain's ability to process information about their surroundings significantly decreased. They were slower to react to traffic signals and pedestrians, which dramatically increased the risk of accidents. This experiment highlights how multitasking decreases situational awareness. 3. The work performance experiment. A 2023 study by Stanford University tested how multitasking affected workplace productivity. Participants were given the same task but asked to switch between tasks frequently, like checking emails while completing a report. The results were staggering. Multitaskers completed tasks slower and made more mistakes than those who focused on one task at a time. Number 4. The cognitive cost of multitasking. The most alarming part of multitasking is the long-term effects it has on your cognitive health. Over time, constant task switching depletes your brain's energy, making it harder to focus on more complex tasks and increasing the chances of mental fatigue. Essentially, you're teaching your brain to be inefficient. Here's what happens to your brain when you multitask. Increased mental fatigue. Constantly switching between tasks leads to decision fatigue and cognitive overload. Over time, you may find yourself mentally exhausted, even after what seems like a simple day of work. Reduced creativity. Your creativity suffers when multitasking. The brain's creative processes require deep concentration, and multitasking doesn't allow for that focus. As a result, your ability to think outside the box or solve complex problems diminishes. Emotional impact. Multitasking also affects emotional regulation. Studies show that people who multitask frequently are more likely to experience increased stress, anxiety, and irritability. Number 5. How to reverse the damage. The good news is, you can retrain your brain and reverse the negative effects of multitasking. Here are some strategies to help you break free from the cycle of constant tasking. 1. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness and meditation have been shown to improve focus and reduce stress. By training your mind to stay present, you can improve your ability to concentrate on one task at a time. Studies show that even a few minutes of mindfulness a day can help restore cognitive function and improve productivity. 2. Prioritize tasks. Use a to-do list and prioritize tasks based on importance. Break your day into focused blocks of time dedicated to one activity. For example, if you're working on a project, set aside a solid block of time to work on it, without checking emails or social media. 3. Take regular breaks. When you work non-stop, your brain gets fatigued. Taking short breaks can refresh your mind and improve your focus. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method, working for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. 4. Reduce distractions. Turn off notifications on your phone and computer. The fewer distractions, the better. By minimizing the noise around you, you'll have a clearer focus and be able to tackle tasks more effectively. The power of single tasking. This might sound counterintuitive, but the ultimate way to boost your productivity and cognitive health is to single. That's right, doing one thing at a time can make you not only more efficient, but also less stressed. Single tasking helps your brain conserve energy, reduce mental clutter, and ultimately produce higher quality work. If you want to master the art of focus, try committing to single tasking for just an hour a day and notice how your performance improves. The truth is, multitasking is a myth. It doesn't make us more productive. It just makes us less efficient, more stressed, and fatigued. If you want to protect your brain and improve your mental clarity, it's time to stop trying to do everything at once. Focus on one task, and watch your productivity and well-being improve. So, next time you think about checking your emails while eating lunch, remember, your brain deserves better. Now that you understand the science behind multitasking and how it affects your brain, it's time to take action. Challenge yourself to focus on one task at a time and give your brain the rest it deserves. It may take some practice, but the rewards are worth it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and brain-boosting content.